We are finally all packed up and ready to go. We're going from Philadelphia to Miami. So I'll see you guys when we land in Miami. We made it to Miami, and after we got here, we couldn't check into our hotel right away. So we went down to the Bayside Marketplace and went to the brand new Margaritaville they have here in Miami. The food was amazing, definitely worth going there just for the food. However, the ambiance in there, it felt a little compact, not like big and open like I'm used to with all the Margaritavilles we've been to. But now we're in our hotel. It was $170 for the night. We're staying at the Holiday Inn of Port Miami. I will give you guys a little tour now. So here's our hotel bathroom. Nothing to really write home about. It's got enough space in here. It's got a decently nice shower. So that's pretty nice there. Got a big walk-in closet here. Look at that. Look at all that room. Too bad we're only here for one night. But what I really like is these ceilings are actually pretty high. And there is a lot of room in here. So it's definitely a pretty nice hotel room for $170 in Miami, especially considering we have this incredible view of the water, the Ferris wheel, and the Bayside Marketplace. So yeah, pretty awesome. I will not be spending $5 on this Evian bottle of water. That is a complete rip-off. So those will stay sealed. So tonight we're going to the Phillies-Marlins game, and right now we still got about 2 hours to kill till we can go there. So we're going to walk around downtown Miami where we're staying, which is by the bay, and enjoy some of the views that Miami has, and I will be throwing my drone up here soon. That was definitely an awesome drone flight considering how much it was raining just a little bit ago. Now we're headed back to the hotel and we're getting ready for the Phillies-Marlins game. So we got to the game, we're about an hour and 20 minutes early, and there's nobody at this ballpark. We were the only ones going through security. It just feels empty. Pretty decent view of the Miami city skyline from here. Good morning, guys. It is officially cruise day, and it's a beautiful morning so far, but unfortunately we can't see it because there's way too much humidity out there. We can actually see the Carnival sunrise from our room, but obviously right now we can't. So right now we're going to get breakfast in the hotel. Then I'm going to fly my drone as long as it doesn't rain, and we'll be boarding the Carnival sunrise. There is Carnival sunrise. It is time to go board. So we made it to the top of the parking garage at Terminal D, and a beautiful view of downtown Miami, and a perfect spot to throw the drone up to see the Carnival sunrise. After that nice quick drone flight, it is now time to go board the Carnival Sunrise. See you guys on board. I'm really liking some of the decorative touches of the ship so far. Super nice. So we just got on board, but first things first, we're going to go do the new self-mustering process just to get it done and out of the way, since it's super easy now. So normally we go to Guy's Burgers first, but it was closed right now for some reason. But for now I got the jambalaya, mac and cheese, and I'm not really sure what that is. So hopefully it's pretty good. But yeah, there's our first meal on the Carnival Sunrise. Right now we're hanging out at Red Frog Rum Pub, and I do have to say, as much as I love Guy's Pig and Anchor, I do like that they have this edition on these ships, even though they still have the buffet for lunch for Guy's Pig and Anchor on this ship. I love the Red Frog Rum Pub vibe, so we're going to hang out here until our room's available. So we're still waiting for our rooms to be ready, but we're at Java Blue Cafe, and it's really awesome here on the Sunrise. It's different than any ship we've been on so far, so check this out. It's kind of just like a lounge in here. It's really awesome. They didn't have frappes yet, so we just got a cold brew, and then we're kind of planning out our activities for the weekend. We finally made it to our stateroom, so let's do a quick stateroom tour. We're staying at a regular balcony. We're in room 6447, so let's check out this room. We'll start at the bathroom. It is your typical balcony stateroom bathroom. Nice little storage up there. Tight as always. The shower. Showers are always decent on a cruise ship. Got the nice little shower curtain there. And you got, oh, these actually pull out. Got some storage here. With your safe, which we always use the safe. It's nice to put things in so then you always know where they're at. Then those are also just storage, so we don't have to go through those. I really like the light around the mirror in here. It's pretty nice. And there's Brittany. Say hi, Brittany.
Hi.
This is the rest of our room. We got the two beds pushed together to what I think they say is a king bed, even though that's definitely not a king size. And here is our balcony. As always, the balcony is always a must for us, unless we can find a really good deal for ocean view or interior, and we already have some very beautiful views of Miami. We came up to the secret deck here on the Carnival Sunrise. We are forward facing to downtown Miami, so that should be pretty cool, getting the view. It looks like we're going to be turning around up there. So hopefully we get some awesome shots, and then of course leaving Miami, seeing South Beach is always awesome. So here we go to sail away on our 4-day cruise on the Carnival Sunrise.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. Ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down.
Well, not much of a sunset tonight, so that'll do it for part 1 of the Carnival Sunrise vlog series. The next part is tomorrow, and that is our one and only day at sea. So I'll see you guys in the next video.